Good morning, Martin Superhawks. This is Kimberly
and Christina
with your morning announcements.
Today is Wednesday, October 15, 2025.
Today's temperatures will be cooler at 58 degrees.
We have our annual fish food drive going on. Please bring in any non-perishable food items so that we can help our local community. We hope to reach our goal of 1,000 cans.
Friday marks of the end of the quarter. Let's keep going strong. We can't believe it's how fast this year is going.
That's all for now. Have a great week, and remember to be kind, safe, respectful, and responsible.
Please stand for the pledge.
Place your right hand on your heart.
Ready, begin.